Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I am saying about the C Sharp and .NET programming experiment number 8, writing and synchronization. Aim to write C Sharp programs to perform banking operations using writing description. Although C Sharp contains many innovative features, one of the most exciting is its built-in support for multi-threaded programming. A multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently. So each part of such a program is called a thread, and each thread defines a separate path of execution. This multi-threading is specialized from form of multitasking program using system.collection.generic, using system link, using system text, using system.writing task, using system.writing namespace class program int amount is 2500 2500 static void main string args console writeline banking application program p is equals to new program p start thread console.readline public void start thread 1 thread t1 equals new thread start withdrawal thread t2 new thread start deposit thread t3 new thread start check balance t1 name is equals to withdraw thread t2 name is equals to deposit thread t3 name is equals to check balance thread t1 start t2 start t3 start public void check balance monitor enter this console write line 0 started thread current thread name console write line thread priority thread current thread priority console write line balance amount plus amount console write line press enter to continue or exit console read line monitor exit this public void deposit enter monitor enter this console write line 0 started thread current thread name console write line thread priority thread current thread priority console write line the amount to be deposit unit amount into parse console write line if amount greater than 50,000 console write line you cannot deposit amount greater than 50,000 else amount is equals to amount plus amount console write line this the balance is 0 amount console write line press enter to continue or exit console read line monitor exit public void withdrawal monitor enter this console write line 0 started thread current thread dot name console write line thread priority press thread current thread dot priority console write line the amount will be withdrawn to into balance into parse console readline if balance greater than amount console writeline not enough cash else amount is equals to amount minus balance console writeline the balance is 0 amount console writeline press enter to continue or exit console readline monitor exit this let's see the output and banking application withdraw at started thread priority normal the amount to be withdrawn high 10,000 the balance is 3,000 press enter to continue or exit the and amount continue or exit. Deposit thread started thread priority normal. The amount to be deposited 200. The balance is 3,200. Press enter to continue or exit. Let's see the second one. Using system collection generic, using system dot link, using system dot text, using system dot writing, using system dot io, namespace, file handling, class program, so static void main string args program p is equals to new program p start threads 1 console readline public void start threads 1 thread t1 is equals to new thread data writing thread t2 is equals to new thread start data reading thread t3 new thread start copy file t1 name is equals to write data thread t2 name is equals to read data thread t3 name is equals to copy file thread T1 dot start T3 start T2 start public void data reading monitor dot enter this console write line 0 started thread current thread name console write line and thread priority thread to current thread priority file stream fs is equals to new file stream a file handling text file model open file access read stream reader sr is equals to new stream reader fs console write line and content of the file sr base stream seek origin being begin string sr read line while string is equals to null console write line string is equals to sr read line sr close fs close console write line reading is done console read line monitor exit public void data string Monitor enter this. Console right line 0 started thread current thread name. Console right line thread priority plus thread current thread priority. Stream writer SWO is equals to new stream writer file handling text console right line. Enter the text that you want to write on file. SWO right line console read line SWO flush close console right line writing is done. Monitor exit this public void copy file. Monitor enter console right line started thread current thread name. Console right line thread priority plus thread current thread priority. String path to original file handle. String path for duplicate file. Test to duplicate. File copy path to original file. Path for duplicate file. Console right line file content copy. Catch exception E. Console right line exception. Console right line message. Console right line try creating new file for copying. Console read line monitor exit this. Output is thread started priority normal. Enter the text that you want to write on file. Carnegie University writing is done. Copy file thread started. Thread priority normal. File text copied and result. The above programs are implemented and output is verified successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video.